Alright, this video is brought to you by HK Carscustom. Use this YouTube channel name to have a 10% discount and enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, so this is the car before cleaning. We'll take a 360 around the car. Shows all the stains and the things that are not very good looking. You can see the body has a lot of scratches, right? The rims I guess, they are not very clean. We'll see that, how these go. Still, same issue here. You can see the hood, here, that tire.
And there it is, the Subaru after a full service and detail. No more dirt, no more brake dust, no more dull paint. Every surface feels fresh again. Clean lines, deep shine, and that new car glow you only get after real work. From the wheels to the mirrors, it's spotless, ready to hit the road again.